What do you give a golfer that's already got everything? Well, maybe this little project is just the thing you're looking for. I'm going to show you how to make a golf trophy out of a piece of timber that looks impossible. After measuring the golf ball, I'm cutting a piece of timber that's the width of the golf ball itself, with a little foot and a little number 1 type symbol at the top. And then inside, I'm making it about 5mm on either side, smaller, with a circle on the top, as you can see here. So we've got sort of 5mm sides, circular top and bottom, and the shape of a number 1. So the first step is to cut the shape out on the bandsaw. Okay, now that I've got the outline done, I need to cut the inside with the scroll saw. So I need to drill a pilot hole on both faces. So it's over to the scroll saw to cut out that inside shape. I'm using a number 7 scroll saw blade. It's a bit of a compromise between a nice fine cut and the ability to cut through that thick timber. Oh, and by the way, the piece of timber that needs to be used should have nice straight grain and be softwood. Hardwood's not going to work for this particular project. And the longer you make the trophy, the easier it's going to be to get the ball in later, and you'll see why. So I've got everything cut out, and now I need to give it a bit of a sand. Okay, sanded down, looks pretty good. Let's put the golf ball in. Oh, hang on a minute, it doesn't fit. It doesn't go in that hole. What are we going to do? Well, in order to get the ball inside that trophy, we boil the kettle and pour boiling water on the trophy until there's enough to completely cover it. And then weigh it down so that it's under the water. And we're going to leave it there for at least 10 minutes. Longer the better. Alright, I've let it soak for a while, and hopefully the timber is now soft and pliable. Timber is an amazing material. With it soaked in the hot water, all the fibres go, "Ah, that's so relaxing," and they just relax and become pliable. And now I'm just putting even pressure, not too hard, and just squeezing and squeezing slowly, slowly, so that I don't break it. And eventually the ball just pops in, and there it is, captured. Yeehaw! So now I just leave it out in the sun until it dries. Now, because the timber's been wet, it's raised all the fibres, so I need to give it another bit of a sand before I put the finishing coat on. I'm just going to use some orange oil to finish it off. And obviously I can only coat the top Let it dry, turn it upside down, and then do the bottom, so that I don't get it all over the golf ball itself. And here's the finished product. Amaze your friends by making this little project yourself. Here's one I did earlier that I gave to my mate in recognition of a hole-in-one.